Hey guys, welcome to the tutorial of Matplotlib. Today we are gonna learn about Barplot. Now, Barplots are often used in finance and marketing sectors for visualizing the revenue and profits of the organization. And importantly, Barplots are used to show relationship between a numerical and a categorical variable. I'll show you that further. And as you can see, I have already imported my Matplotlib library and the magic function of inline. And we have data of previous 10 years of an organization or a company with its record of revenue generated in the past 10 years and the profit made by the organization in its past 10 years. So let's go ahead and plot these values. So let's say we want to plot year and revenue first. So plt dot bar, and we pass on x-axis as the year and revenue on its y-axis. So as you can see, we have created a bar plot. Now we need to have put some labels. So let's label our axis plt dot x label, and we know x label is years, and plt dot y label is our revenue. Yeah, much better. And let's similarly plot our another bar plot for the profit section. Now we want our y-axis to be profit this time, and we put here profit. Yeah, so as you can see, the profit is also increasing as the year passes by in the 10 years of scenario, and same goes with the process of revenue. And now one more thing, we can also plot them on a single chart. So let's plot these values on a single chart. Okay, so let's plot them on a single chart. Let's say we want first dot bar, we want year, and we want revenue, and the next plot we want is that of year on x-axis and profit on y-axis. So as you can see, it has now generated a kind of a mixed plot. So let's label our value so that we don't have any confusion. Let's say label is equal to, this one stands for the revenue. That will give a much better understanding. And this one stands for your profit. And we call the method of legend to invoke these functions. Dot legend. Okay, now this makes much more sense. And now you can see that the revenue is increasing year by year, and similarly the profit, which is of orange in this case, is also increasing. So when the revenue reached 600, the profit is around 300. So one more thing about bar plot, guys, is that bar plot is only used for plotting between a numerical value, that is these revenues and profits, and a categorical value. So categorical variables are these variables are not continuous. That is the name of the years or the name of the companies which are to be specified on the x-axis. Now let's make our chart a little bigger. Plt dot figure size. I want figure size to be 8 by 6. Okay. This gives a pretty good picture. So now many of the people working in data analytics sector prefer to plot these in a horizontal way. So let's plot these values in the horizontal way. And what we have to change is just add a bar H. Bar H. Okay. So we have this beautiful bar plot in front of us, which is depicting a very good uh, revenue and profit of this organization, which has increased in previous 10 years, as you can see. Now, one more thing which I am forgetting is you can always choose to change the size of these bins or the boxes. So what you have to do is say simply you can pass the variable over here as width, and you want a width to be 0.9. The maximum value which it can take is of 1. So you can see boxes are wide enough now. So that's it, guys. That is all for the bar plot tutorial. I hope you found it very interesting, and if you have any queries, please feel free to comment, and please like and share my channel. Thank you so much.